Shiba Inu's has been twisted by RobinHood. The conversion of the SHIB currency into a cent has been confirmed at long last, after much debate. Shiba Inu Coin is making headlines today. The Shiba Inu has been loaded and is ready to trade on the RobinHood trading app and platform. SHIB will be listed on the market sometime between November and December hopefully, and I will make an official announcement at that time. El Cronto, a financial analyst, asserts that RobinHood is awaiting the right moment to strike. The listing as a Coinbase Pro has been completed. The list for a low price on their site right now. Additionally, they would be available for purchase. Our topic for today is the RobinHood Shiba's list, which will be discussed in detail later. A possible response to Satoshi Kusama's tweet and why. I believe this listing from RobinHood is significant. Therefore, please make sure to watch this movie all the way through because today's video is going to be absolutely incredible. Good day and welcome to Crypto Affairs, your everyday cryptocurrency news and updates when it comes to Shiba. You should be interested in all that surrounds Shiba, and this is the place for you to subscribe if you so desire to do so too. Keep up to date with all of the latest SHIB news, forecasts, and predictions, and keep one step ahead of the competition. Make sure to hit the like button and bell icon so that we can continue to serve you with useful information. Let's take a look at some basic information first. Take a look at the chart to see how the pricing is performing. What Shiba is up to on the 25th of this month. As we all know from the events of the past week, Shiba has been experiencing a downward trend since October. Altcoin, on the other hand, immediately displayed a bullish trend following the bearish trend. After the completion of the digital coin has a bearish triangle. Gained a base price of $4,000. After the completion of the in the past, 465 millionths of a dollar was spent. On Saturday, the price of a Shiba Inu was $1,500. In the aftermath, the coin's value plummeted to more than 1.75%. But the decrease in its price, the alt also flipped a 14.15 breakout from Friday, which resulted in me ending the day at 477 millionths of a dollar, down from Friday's high of 477 millionths of a dollar. However, in the last week, the currency has increased in value. It gained its first major amount of support. Level 428, a $10 million investment. I went back over the price of 48 millionths of a dollar one more time before taking a step back at the time. The Shiba Inu coin was selling at a price of 4 cents, a total of 1,297 cents, or 100 millionth of a dollar, at the time of writing. This was due to the mixed trading signals that came along with the currency. Its price transaction time is less than 4 hours 20 minutes. Small wide in 50 SMARAD, indicating that the price transaction time is less than 4 hours 20 minutes. There is a pessimistic slant to the market. To summarize, the RSI experienced a decline from the 60-second mark at the halfway point. The cryptocurrency has increased about 441% in value since its creation, as we have all learned, and that's 605.51% of its monetary value. However, the outlook for 2021 remains optimistic. In the current market, the price of a meme-based digital coin is 3,897 millionths of a single dollar, and there is a total supply of a single dollar. There are a quadrillion tokens. Let's get back to the subject at hand. The terrific weekend rally for Shiba Inu, the Shiba Inu weekend rally is held every year in the spring. Despite the fact that the industry as a whole has experienced a negative rebound, this is still a reflection of the growing strength that is accumulating around this specific token. In reality, good news arrives from the RobinHood, who could be included on a shortlist of probable contenders for the position. We've got some exciting news to share with our readers. The importance of a quotation is irrelevant to you in the big scheme of things. Shiba's picture of adoption and reach is significant, but not in the small details. Shiba is now being considered by yet another major broker. There are a variety of options available to those who live in Italy. As a matter of fact, there are various investment alternatives available. Web and Shiba Inu with eToro platforms that are easy to use while also containing all of the professional tools for direct analysis are available. On the graph, eToro is also the exclusive agent for services such as copy trading and copying, which are both available on the platform. Spy on the most successful investors or their every action. I relocate and, for example, copy portfolios in an intelligent manner. Wallets that feature a variety of cryptocurrencies for consumers who prefer a digital money over a traditional currency are becoming increasingly popular. If there are enough, $50 will be given as a start. Trading using a genuine account is more secure. The Queen of Shiba is preparing to board the RobinHood. There was a resurgence of interest in the story. Yesterday afternoon, propelled by newspapers, which, nevertheless, have not always proven to be trustworthy. In contrast to what happened with the eToro listing, we also put our faces on it. applying certain reserve channels to one's advantage. We can be relatively certain that Robinhood has everything ready for us to arrive. The Shiba Inu token's inclusion on the exchange is a rumor, which we have previously confirmed. And the clock is finally ticking on this one. A sequence of transactions made yesterday that began immediately after the distribution of this rumor, despite the fact that there was none validation of the fact that it actually happened. Robinhood will proceed with his plans. Purchases of this magnitude are rare. A question to which, in our opinion, there is no satisfactory response, so we will be significant if we have any kind of significance right now. The strategies will be exposed in the not-too-distant future. Robinhood for including a shIb into its design pricing lists, which will be implemented without the need for any additional action on their part. This type of uncertainty is quite significant. This appears to be having an effect on the price of XI for the meme token, which is a trend that is already apparent. Be astonishingly optimistic on what is the significance of a potential listing from Robin. The importance of Robinhood has a large number of customers. This would result in a considerable increase in demand for shIb among the general public and small investors. In general, an audience with the ability to move a substantial amount of money. In addition, there will be the unavoidable Robinhood, Prince of Thieves. As a result of that, the broker will need to ensure that he has a sufficient quantity of Shiba tokens to carry out the exchange method of operation. Considering the circumstances, it had significant ramifications. Taking the price of dogecoin as an example, there have been further advances in the realm of the Shiba token. Starting with NFTs, which are becoming increasingly popular and are being talked more and more. Even if it takes a while, it will arrive. It appears that they will be linked to another protocol in the future. Whether to use cryptocurrency or a leash. The most recent update was received a little over a week ago. Approximately a week ago, on Satoshi's official Medium, where there is some initial material on Shibashi, there was some information about Shibashi. They will be 10,000 and will work in a similar manner to many of our past initiatives, which have been seen in recent times take control of cryptocurrency punks and other similar projects. The Skeletal Crew, as well as many others, are using Ethereum and Solana to get by. There will be a compelling motivation for people to act quickly. As well as an opportunity for individuals who have many portfolios to manage to take use of my services. Profitably employ them in light of the excellent opportunity. This type of undertaking has a certain allure to it. Is it possible to work out? The SHIB army was bragging about how they had eaten a zero when the meme coin was thrown out. I was able to pump nearly 60 during the course of the night. Increasing from 821 millionths of a dollar to 1 billionth of a dollar. It reached a nearly 5-month high of 1482 millionths of a penny, which was a nearly 5-month high. Shiba Inu Coin was discovered just before lunchtime. It was trading at a price of 1.482 millionth of a dollar. Since yesterday, the dollar has increased by 46.3% in value. Satoshi Kusama appeared shortly after that. I tweeted about the Shiba cake, describing it as a SHIB army. Take a look at that beautiful cake. Robinhood had a fortune of $51 million. Revenue from cryptocurrency transactions made by third parties. This was stated by the corporation earlier this week when it released its financial results. This represents a decrease from the $233 million earned in the second quarter of Dogecoin's explosive growth in the second quarter. Despite the fact that the token reached a fresh record high in May. The cryptocurrency accounts for about 1/3 of Robinhood's overall revenue, accounting for nearly 1/3 of the company's entire revenue. It contributed for barely 8% of total revenue during that time period in the third quarter. Previously, analysts had expected a decline in Robinhood's revenue in the past, but by the time Robinhood releases its earnings call on Tuesday, October 26th, the revenue had increased. It was a significant reduction from the earlier projections. Aside from the catastrophic decline in revenue, the app has also lost nearly 1/3 of its investors who were looking for apps with potential. They'd like to exchange this for further cryptocurrency. That could explain the results of Robinhood's recent survey. Users are being asked what cryptocurrency they prefer to trade. The Shiba Inu is, of course, included in this list. Based on all that has been said so far, what exactly has been going on with Robinhood lately? In addition, the survey was sent out. There are some significant indications that the app will be successful. SHIB will be listed as soon as the paperwork is completed. The development team will not tell me what happened to all this crap about her being added to the supply. Furthermore, there are 3 billion SHIBs. Anyone who is still in the position to earn a prize is still eligible. In order to demonstrate, the tokens were added, of course, we all know that's never going to happen. This occurred as a result of the fact that no tokens were added. This is a fantastic spot to call it a day for the rest of the day. That's all there is to it for today. I think it's also important to point out that this is not investment advice channel. Videos created are primarily for the purpose of providing information. The fact that you may want to invest in any company and have instructional content delivered to your home is simply a route oriented towards that goal. With that in mind, before you make a purchase or invest, consider the following. Is there anything we propose you do as a result of the huge amount of research we've done on the subject? So therefore, contact your financial advisor and know that any actions you take is at your own risk. I hope you find this video entertaining. Please let us know what you think in the comments. Please let us know if you are a SHIB owner by leaving a comment below. With that being said, thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one, guys.